It is the responsibility of all trades on the job site to be aware of compatibility issues or any other factor that might affect long-term performance of CPVC piping systems. In fact, there are a number of considerations that are not directly involved in the CPVC pipe installation that can affect its durability. From electrical and data cables to paint and other building materials, it is important to educate all trades involved on the importance of many special installation considerations. Some wiring and data cables contain plasticizers that are not compatible with CPVC. Since it is difficult to determine which wires and cables contain plasticizers, it is best to completely avoid contact. In addition, according to the National Electric Code, all types of wire and cable must be supported and secured by staples, cable ties, straps, hangers, or similar devices. This means that piping is not an acceptable means of supporting wire and cable. When it comes to polyurethane spray foam, the Spray Polyurethane Foam Alliance, SPFA, with help from Lubrizol, tested their product's viability when used with CPVC piping. As their findings indicate, when used under certain parameters, spray foam is not detrimental to the long-term performance of CPVC pipe. As a general practice when using spray foam, it is important to consider several factors. It must be properly mixed and applied. The application of nominal 2-pound density closed-cell foam should not exceed 2 inches per pass, and the application should not occur in less than 10-minute intervals. For additional information, visit the website sprayfoam.org. When painting CPVC, water-based acrylic is the preferred and recommended paint to use. Pipe should only be painted after installation, so there is no interference with the solvent-cement bond. It is also wise to attain approval from the local authority having jurisdiction prior to painting to ensure that markings on the listed pipe are not covered. FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corzan CPVC products are acceptable for use in embedded concrete as allowed by the local code jurisdiction. But care must be paid to the following guidelines. Pipe cannot contact sharp objects or edges. It is best to use straight runs and minimize the stress on the pipe. FlowGuard, BlazeMaster, and Corzan CPVC piping systems are not recommended for use embedded in post-tensioned concrete systems that can create excessive forces on the pipe system. When there are joints embedded in the concrete, the system must be pressure tested prior to pouring, and care should be taken to avoid damaging the pipe during pouring and finishing. In addition, installers should confirm the pipe has not moved from the intended position as the concrete is poured. Allow for thermal expansion and contraction to minimize stress at points the pipe enters and exits the concrete. Be sure to follow the pipe system manufacturer's installation instructions. It is important to take special care when metal and CPVC pipes are connected or installed in proximity to each other. Protect the CPVC when using torches, solder, and any incompatible materials with metal pipes. Transitions from metal to CPVC pipe can be made through threaded connections, flanges, or grooved adapters. Also, check the steel pipe to determine whether residual oils from manufacturing are on the pipe, especially those marketed as environmentally friendly or vegetable-based. Such oils must be removed prior to connecting with CPVC. Finally, dye penetrants used to test the quality of welds on steel systems may contain plasticizers. These should be removed prior to connecting to CPVC, or work with the manufacturer to ensure proper use with CPVC. Rigid plastic or metal pipe is typically compatible with CPVC. However, it is not recommended that any pipes have contact with each other. The natural expansion and contraction that occurs may create noise or wear concerns. When using hangers, uncoated metal and polypropylene are acceptable materials. No rubber inserts or dip coatings should be used. Electrical tape contains materials that are not compatible with CPVC. When using all other general adhesive tapes, it is important to check with the manufacturer prior to using it. If you have questions about material compatibility in any Lubrizol CPVC piping system, you can work directly with a material supplier to determine compatibility or contact a Lubrizol piping system consultant for assistance. As always, be sure to follow the pipe system manufacturer's installation instructions. For more information on compatibility and the FBC System Compatible program, click any of the modules from the main menu, or visit us at fbcsystemcompatible.com.